coming into the Arkansas line now, guys. So you're on the Arkansas-Oklahoma line all the way up from Mansfield all the way through Fort Smith. Just to the north side of Fort Smith, I'd say Cedarville. You're from Cedarville all the way down towards Mansfield, Waldron area. Expect to get some heavy rains with it. The most severe part looks like it's going to be moving close to the Greenwood area. Looks like the hail core has gone down on it a little bit, showing 1 inch now instead of 2 inch. Radar indicated. Looks like it's just to the south, Bacola, moving into Hackett. So I think I'm going to hold up just up here and watch this as it moves off to my north, and then I'll follow it. I'm actually going to pull up right here and watch it because I'm on that south side. Let's get around this here. Looks like there may be some broad rotation coming into the Hackett, just south of Hackett area. We'll get down here around Clark's Chapel area. Just lightning's looking pretty good off to my west, so I'll get down here to Clark's Chapel and watch it as it moves in. If you're in Greenwood, though, y'all need to be getting ready for the severe weather. Looks like the hail's going into Hackett, Bacola area now. I'll be coming up into Greenwood, south side of Greenwood here in just a little bit. From the 2-lane to the 4-lane, northbound on 71 highway. Again, severe thunderstorm warning, 2-inch hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. So that's $50, 50-cent piece if y'all ever see one of those old 50-cent pieces. It's gonna be about the size of that hail right now. Between that and ping pong ball. That's going to do quite a bit of damage if it hits your house or cars, guys. Alright, let me get up here and pull over real quick. Trying to get to where I can see a little bit better. Ooh, lightning looking good. Alright guys, Coming into Greenwood now. Looks like there's some heavy rain just to my north of Greenwood. If you're in Hackett, getting hit pretty good with it right now too. I'm gonna pull over up here and see if we can see anything. Kind of give y'all an idea of what I'm looking at. I'll stop right here on the south side of Greenwood. Getting a little rain in Greenwood now. I think I'm going to hold up right here at the south side of Greenwood on Highway 10 Spur. Get out and watch it and see what it looks like. A lot of lightning with this storm, guys. Cloud to ground lightning too, so y'all be careful if you're out and about. Y'all might want to get inside to a safe place until the storm passes. I'm in Greenwood now. The storm is just starting to get into our area. If you're in Old Jenny Lind, Barling, you're getting hit pretty good with heavy rains, a lot of lightning, a lot of wind. White Bluff, Old Jenny Lind, Excelsior to Hackett. Looks like you're getting the heaviest of the hail right now. If you're in Greenwood, down to Witcherville, you're about to be getting hit with the heavy rain on Highway 71. I have not. Sarah, I have not heard anything about any tornadoes on the ground or anything this morning. I'm not getting any reports or anything like that either. Only thing I'm seeing is maybe some 1-inch hail, and that's going to be moving into south side of Fort Smith, Barling, Lavaca. If you're in Greenwood, we're getting the heavy rains now. Looks like Greenwood's going to probably be the heaviest of the winds, and then up into Lavaca. That's the only severe thunderstorm warning we have as of right now. No tornado warnings for us. There is one tornado, and that is, or tornado warning, and that's in Audrain, Missouri. So
Just a quick information.
that's out of our area.
Also advising that the storm over Fayetteville has some rotation and is stronger than we had issued a severe thunderstorm for that area.
Okay, looks like up in northwest Arkansas. Looks like there's getting some rotation to the east side of Springdale now. On Highway 412 around Pleasure Heights, Spring Valley. So it'll be heading up towards War Eagle and Eureka Springs and Berryville. So if y'all know anybody up that way, they need to be paying attention to the storm. It's severe warning now. Quarter size hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, but it is getting some rotation on it that is wrapping up. And this is that storm that is just to the northeast of Fayetteville, heading into Eureka Springs. This storm that's down in Greenwood, Fort Smith area right now, I'm not seeing any kind of rotation with it. It does actually look like it's kind of weakening a little bit. I believe the storms that are behind it and to the south of it kind of weakened it out a little bit. So, but we'll follow this one after it passes over us. We'll head on towards the Lavaca area and see if it's left any kind of damage or anything like that. But as of right now, everything's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna go hit Highway 96 and take it north real quick and head up towards Lavaca. If you're in Greenwood, it's really not too bad here, honestly. If you're on the north side of Greenwood, it's probably got a little bit heavier rain. South side of Greenwood's not really anything. Lavaca or Charleston, you're the next to get hit with this storm. Alma, you too. If it holds together, all severe warning, Mulberry, Ozark will be next in line.
Central Daylight Time, Sunday for the following counties in Arkansas.
in the following counties: in Oklahoma, Adair, DeFleur, and Sequoia. The current time is 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Franklin, southwestern Crawford, Sebastian, southeastern Sequoia, and northeastern LaFleur counties. At 10:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bonanza, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Intact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County in northwestern Arkansas, Franklin County in west central Arkansas, central Crawford. Counteracts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Jethro, Alma, Charleston, Chile, Dyer, Hubler, Central City, Locke, Turner's Bend, Vista, Luno, Ursula, Rudy, Boston, Dutton, Altus, Mulberry, Greenwood, Alex, Bloomer. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Arkansas between mile markers 3 and 42. Interstate 540 between mile markers 1 and 4. Interstate 49 between mile markers 22 and 31. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until noon Central Daylight Time for northwestern and west central Arkansas. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Franklin, southwestern Crawford, Sebastian, southeastern Sequoia, and northeastern LaFleur counties. At 10:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bonanza, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Ping pong ball size hail around Bonanza, they're saying.
Impact, people and animals outdoors will be
Radar indicated, nothing.
Expect hail damage.
No storm reports yet.
Siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs.
I'm on 96 highway,
Locations in or near the path include
heading northbound from Greenwood and headed towards Lavaca.
Central City, Winterville, Tacoma, Rye Hill, Moffett, Branch, Fort Smith, Excelsior, Fort Smith Regional Airport, Vista, Van Buren, Ursula, Muldrow, Rudy, Lavaca, Greenwood. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Arkansas between mile markers 0 and 15. Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 319 and 328. Interstate 540 between mile markers 1 and 14. Interstate 49 between mile markers 22 and 23. A tornado watch remains in effect until noon Central Daylight Time for northwestern and west central Arkansas, in southeastern and east central Oklahoma. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Tulsa. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. The Fort Smith area, including the Arkansas River Valley of eastern Oklahoma and west central Arkansas. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Oklahoma, LaFleur, and Sequoia. A flood watch remains in effect from 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday for the following counties: in Arkansas, northwestern, western, and northwestern. Tornado watch number 97 has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Arkansas, Greenwood, and beyond. Tornado watch number 96 remains in effect until noon Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Arkansas.
pretty good up on 96 too in Greenwood. I'm almost to Lavaca now. Oh yeah. Getting a little hail now, almost to Lavaca. I think I lost service there for a little bit, guys. Sorry about that. We got a little bit of hail, but nothing severe. Maybe pea size there. We're almost to Highway 22 on Highway 96, northbound from Greenwood, almost to the Lavaca Central City area. On Highway 22, we're going to be heading eastbound towards the Charleston area now.
Tornado watch number 97 has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas, Logan, and Scott. Tornado watch number 96
Looks like the heaviest of the hail is going to be moving just to the north of Charleston. Coming into Bloomer now, heading towards Charleston. I'm not seeing anything that's looking too impressive as far as rotation. A lot of lightning. Got some hail with this one. Could get up to ping pong ball size hail with it, 60-mile-an-hour wind. Yeah, it looks like Dayton was just on the south side of the heaviest part of it. Just to your north, they got some little bit of hail and some wind with it. Heavy rain in Greenwood. Heavy rain here in Bloomer to Charleston. Still not seeing anything in the way of severe weather as far as hail or wind or anything, so we're pretty good with that. I'm just kind of hanging back, going slow behind it. I'm just going to kind of follow it until the severe weather risk is gone with it. Let's see if it kind of does anything. But if you're in Paris, Boonville, Ozark, Clarksville, this is what you're going to be getting right here, this heavy rain. Maybe some hail. Looks like it's weakened enough that they're going to move it to a special weather statement instead of a severe thunderstorm warning. Still a lot of heavy rain with it. Winds aren't too bad. I haven't gotten much hail. A little bit of pea-sized hail on Highway 96 earlier. There north of Greenwood, between Greenwood and the back, I got the pea-sized hail. Highway 22 heading towards Clarksville, between Boonville and Clarksville now. Coming into Charleston now. Heavy rain in Charleston. Heavy rain in Charleston. Not seeing anything as far as severe. This is weather forward or Skyward. Let you know I'm passing through Charleston now. Just heavy rains, nothing severe as to report as of right now. But I'm mobile on Highway 22, passing through Charleston, headed towards the Russellville area, following this severe storm. Weather report clear.
The Fort Smith area, including the Arkansas River Valley of eastern Oklahoma and west central Arkansas. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Oklahoma, Floor, and Sequoia. A front watch remains in effect from 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Madison, Franklin, eastern Crawford, and northeastern Sebastian counties. At 11:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Cloud declaring on lightning in Charleston.
6 miles southwest of Ozone, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is radar indicated threat. Intact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations near the path include Central, Charleston, Cass, Dyer, Lynn Star, Crossroads, Milltown, Block, Turner's Bend, Lanta, Eagle, Brunel, Ursula, Boston, Judson, Dalton, Mulder, Teddy, Edna, Interstates 40 in Arkansas between mile marker 18 and 42. According to one remains in effect until noon Central Daylight Time in northwest and west central Arkansas. For your protection, move to an interior on the lowest floor of the building. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. The Fort Smith area, including the Arkansas River Valley of eastern Oklahoma and west central Arkansas. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Oklahoma, Floor, and Sequoia. Front watch remains in effect from 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday for the following counties: in Arkansas, northern Dakota, and western and northern Oregon. Tornado watch number 97 has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Arkansas, Logan, and Johnson. Tornado watch number 96 remains in effect until 9 Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Arkansas, Crawford, Franklin, and Sebastian. For the following counties: in Oklahoma, Beecham, Floor, and Sequoia. Current time is 11:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11 a.m. at the Fort Smith Regional Airport, a thunderstorm was reported. The temperature was 74, dew point 26, relative humidity 76%. Wind south-east, gusting to 25.
Heavy rain still in the Charleston area. This is going to be heading towards Paris, Clarksville. Ozarks getting hit with the rain right now.
Russellville, it was cloudy with a temperature of 78. The wind was south at 10, gusting to 23. In Hot Springs, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 79. The wind was south at 12, gusting to 23. Around the region, in Tulsa, it was cloudy with a temperature of 68.